In today's video, I'm going to teach you Guide with Google and TradingView. We'll start on a clean slate. Open your web browser and head to Google. In the search bar, type TradingView. This is the quickest way to reach the official site without memorizing URLs. When the results appear, look for the result that says TradingView, Track All Markets. Click that to go straight to the platform's homepage. Once you're on TradingView, find the search option near the top of the page. This search lets you look up any market you're interested in, from stocks to currencies and more. Click into the search box and begin typing the instrument you want to analyze. When you see the exact symbol you're after, select it to open its chart. This loads the default chart view where we'll add and customize an indicator. Next, locate the Indicators button at the top of the chart. Click it to open TradingView's indicator library. In the search field that appears, type Forex Session. This indicator is handy because it highlights global trading sessions on your chart, making it easier to see when liquidity and volatility tend to increase. From the list, click on the Forex Session indicator to add it to your chart. You should immediately see colored session blocks or bands overlaid on your price chart. To fine-tune how this looks and when it appears, open the indicator's settings. You can do this by clicking the small gear icon on the indicator's label on the chart. Inside the Settings panel, go to the Visibility tab first. Here, you can choose which time frames will display the session overlays. For example, you might prefer to see them on intraday charts like the 5-minute or 15-minute views, but not on higher time frames. Adjusting visibility keeps your higher-level analysis uncluttered while preserving useful context on lower time frames. Now switch to the Style tab. This is where you control the appearance of the session blocks, things like colors, opacity, borders, and labels. Choose colors that stand out against your chart background without overpowering the candles. A touch more transparency often helps you read price action clearly while still recognizing session boundaries. If multiple sessions are enabled, consider using distinct yet balanced hues so you can quickly tell them apart. When your preferences are set, confirm everything by clicking OK. Your chart will update with the new visibility and style choices applied. That's it. Using Google to find TradingView, searching your market, adding the Forex Session indicator, and adjusting its settings for clarity and usefulness. Follow these steps each time you set up a new chart, and you'll have consistent, readable context for your trading analysis.